And interestingly, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has endorsed and backed the new language policy. Mamata Banerjee has said all languages are being taught in Bengal. This even as her ally in the India bloc, Stalin, is fighting the national education policy, questioning the three-language policy. Mamata Banerjee has backed it, saying very clearly that we must learn all languages. Mamata Banerjee says out of personal experience that she learnt and understands all languages. So at a time when you've got MK Stalin leading the fight against the three-language policy, Mamata Banerjee seems to be making a case for it.
हम लोग देश भर का हर भाषा समझते हैं। मैं पंजाबी भी समझती हूँ, मैं गुजराती भी समझती हूँ, मराठी भी समझती हूँ, राजस्थानी भी समझती हूँ, भोजपुरी भी समझती हूँ, आसामी भी समझती हूँ, नागालैंड का जो नागामीज है वो भी समझती हूँ, असम को लैंग्वेज भी समझती हूँ। खाली साउथ इंडियन के लैंग्वेज हमको थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है। हमको कहते हैं आप क्यों हर धर्म का जगह में जाता है। हम कहा हम जिंदगी भर जाएगा और जाते रहेंगे। अगर तुम गोली मार के मार भी दो तो हमको यूनिटी से तुम निकालने नहीं सकते हो। इसी के लिए और हमारा इधर में सब धर्म होता है।
Okay, let's bring in Indrajit Kundu in just a bit for those details. Mamata Banerjee clearly at this point sending out a message that she personally learned all languages, and so she understands all languages, saying that in Bengal also we push for people to learn as many languages as they can. This is interestingly the stand of the central government. When they pitch for the three-language policy, they repeatedly say that we must push for as many languages for people, for students to learn as possible. The Stalin government repeatedly, remember, has questioned the government, the central government, claiming imposition of Hindi, questioning the three-language policy, saying they will only stick to the two-language policy. And amid that, an ally of the India bloc has made a very clear point about learning more languages. Interesting really to see how the DMK will respond to this, but Mamata Banerjee pitching for students to learn more languages. This was interestingly exactly what Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu also said, saying he wants students in his state to learn as many languages as possible. Indrajit Kundu is joining us live with more details on this. Indrajit, interesting really to hear Mamata pitch for more languages, but was this a direct pitch that she made for, in fact, the three-language policy for the NEP?
কাজটা তো এফিশিয়েন্টলি করতে হবে না, ফালতু ফালতু এত নাটক করে লাভ কি আছে?
I don't think Indrajit is with us. My apologies for that. We're going to connect with him in just a bit for those details of really what the Mamata government stand is on the national education policy. As she said that all languages are being taught in Bengal. Students will learn as many languages as possible in Bengal. Listen in again to what Mamata Banerjee has said.
हम लोग देश भर का हर भाषा समझते हैं। मैं पंजाबी भी समझती हूँ, मैं गुजराती भी समझती हूँ, मराठी भी समझती हूँ, राजस्थानी भी समझती हूँ, भोजपुरी भी समझती हूँ, आसामी भी समझती हूँ, नागालैंड का जो नागामीज है वो भी समझती हूँ, असम को लैंग्वेज भी समझती हूँ। खाली साउथ इंडियन के लैंग्वेज हमको थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है। हमको कहते हैं आप क्यों हर धर्म का जगह में जाता है। हम कहा हम जिंदगी भर जाएगा और जाते रहेंगे। अगर तुम गोली मार के मार भी दो तो हमको यूनिटी से तुम निकालने नहीं सकते हो। इसी के लिए और हमारा इधर में सब धर्म होता है।
Okay, let me bring in Indrajit Kundu now, connected with us for the latest updates on that. While Mamata Banerjee, Indra, talks about all the languages she's learned and how there is a clear scope for students to learn every single language, do we construe this as her endorsement for the three-language policy?
Well, not really, Akshita. You know, she was not talking about the various language policy. What Mamata Banerjee was trying to impress is that she was talking about unity in diversity, and that was the theme and core area of her speech. She was, of course, attending a program conducted, organized by the Jain community. And given the context and politics in West Bengal, she was talking and highlighting about the need for unity and communal unity and unity among all religions. And she has also gone ahead to say, and hopefully we'll be able to play that soundbite soon, she has attacked the central government over the timing of the Waqf bill. She has spoken about the minorities, especially the Muslim minorities in West Bengal. She said that she knows that the Muslim community in West Bengal is hurt, and therefore she will be taking care of it. She said that she will be taking care of their properties. They do not need to worry about the protection of the Waqf properties here in West Bengal. She also questioned the timing.
We've got
of the
Dhanidharan of the DMK joining us on this broadcast. Mr. Dhanidharan, what do you have to say about Mamata Banerjee making a pitch for people to learn more languages? She says, I've benefited from learning maximum languages.
See, I don't know in which context he said, but as politicians, as a party in power, we are supposed to listen to the voice of the people. And 99% of the people in Tamil Nadu do not want third language to be imposed. Even in Tamil Nadu, there are schools, specialized schools, which are teaching languages. There are private schools which offer a second language, which is not just Tamil, which is Hindi or Telugu or French or German. But the whole point is that we do not want any language to be imposed directly or indirectly in Tamil Nadu, and that is the will of the people of Tamil Nadu. That is what we are imposing. So in a democracy, we are supposed to listen to people, which is why even DMK is primary opposition. ADMK is not for three-language policy, or even BJP's alliance partners like Patali Makkal Kachi is not for third language policy, because that is the will of the people of Tamil Nadu. As a party in power, we are supposed to listen to the people of Tamil Nadu. That's about it. I don't think there is anything else that has to be read into it. Right? How does democracy work? In democracy, people elect their legislators who represent their voice in the assembly, and they are representing the voice in the assembly. And the voice of the chief minister.
So you're saying the people's voice is against imposition. Thank you, Dhanidharan, for joining us with your view on this. We'll see, of course, what kind of reactions come in on this. But Indrajit, at a time when we've been seeing this whole fight over language and the DMK saying that, they will not allow the three-language policy, Mamata Banerjee's endorsement for speaking more languages, there are some who will say is a message also with regards to her wanting Bengal